Tired of sending your users to that boring default WordPress login screen? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning custom login form right on your website using ElementsKit. Before we start, make sure you have the free version of Elementor and ElementsKit Pro active on your site. Now, logged in your Elementor panel, search for login form. Look for the one with the eKit badge and drag it into your column. Now, let's configure the content. Under the Form Fields section, you can define your layout by choosing Custom to write your own text for the username and password levels, and adjust field sizes. Scroll down just a bit, and you'll see the Remember Me toggle. Turn this on to show the checkbox and customize the text to something friendly like Keep Me Logged In. To make the UI pop, open the Field Icon section. Enable them and select a font awesome icon for the username and password fields. You can even add a sleek vertical divider here. Next, customize your primary login button text. In the Links section, you can toggle helpful navigation links such as Forget Password or add a register link with a custom URL to assist new users with signing up. Here is a crucial step, the Settings tab. Set your Remember Me duration to control how long a user stays logged in. Then, enable a redirect after login and paste your dashboard URL. You can also hide this form completely for users who are already signed in. Time to make it beautiful. Switch over the Style tab. Here you will find dedicated sections for every element. First, open Labels to adjust the typography and color of your field titles. Next, open the Fields section. Here you customize the actual input boxes, such as changing the background color, adding a border radius for rounded corners, and setting the text color. Then, pop into the Field Icons section to scale your icons and change the color to match your brand. Under the Remember Me section, you can perfectly align the spacing between the checkbox and your text. Then, head to the Button section to give your primary login button a solid brand color and add a nice box shadow. Finally, don't forget the recovery options. Use the Reset Password section to style the Forgot Password form layout, and the Links section to change the colors, and hover states for your lost password and registered text. And there you have it, a fully custom branded login form built without touching a single line of code. If you also want to build a custom registration form next, check out our full tutorial linked in the description below. So, ready to upgrade your WordPress site? Get ElementsKit today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Elementor tutorials.